Hello my good people, welcome to my channel, and in today's video is about tutorial of box braid without hair extension. Start by splitting your hair into 3 parts and then hold it with your thumb and index finger. Then move from left to right, then right to left. Repeat the same process as you braid your hair, like this. Just keep on doing left to right and right to left. Do it over and over again because practice makes perfect. If you don't have a mannequin for practicing your hair, you can do with your own hair if you can, or request someone else to allow you to braid her hair. You can see how my hair is neat, how I braid without forcing myself or without struggling. So I recommend you do it again and again till you become perfect on it. You split your hair into 3, hold it with the thumb and index finger. Move it from left to right or from right to left, whichever side you are comfortable with. Just look the way I do. I don't struggle. I just do it smoothly. As I said, practice, do it over and over again, because for something that you want, you have to do it again and again to perfect on it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and give my video a thumbs up to encourage me on posting more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I love you all.